Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this range of videos, we're showing you how to make your home more energy efficient. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to install draft excluders right the way around your door and at the bottom. And the materials I'm going to be using are this aluminium bottom trim, which fits on the bottom of the door and goes snug to your tiles or carpet or external step, wherever you're fitting it to, and that'll stop cold air coming in and warm air escaping out. And then around the sides of the door and at the top will be these strips. These are a little bit more smaller, they're plastic, and they've got a little small brush softer edge on them there. They'll be fitted to the frame, and this brush edge will be snug up along the edge of the door, right round the two sides and the top. So I'm going to start off with my bottom trim. I'm going to measure the width of the door whilst it's closed, mark it up on here, cut it down with a hacksaw and a mitering block. Now the strips already have some pre-drilled clearance holes in them, and I'm going to be holding them in place with a 25mm screw. But what I'm going to do is drill a small pilot hole in there. I've got a very tiny 3mm piece, and then take your cordless drill and slowly drive that in, always making sure that your brush is touching the base below. So that's my bottom trim firmly fixed into position. Now I'm going to do the same around the sides and the top. Now the frame draft excluder strips are a little bit more lightweight. These ones are UPVC, and in a pack you get 3 sections, one for each side of the door, which a standard door is about 6'6" high. These are probably about 6'9". You always cut a bit off them. And then a top piece, of course, for the head of the door. Now with the base one we put on a moment ago, we screw and we fix that into the door itself, so that moves when the door opens and closes. These particular ones don't. These are fitted to the frame. That plastic strip there is tacked into the frame. The brush edge of that touches the door once it's closed, and it's butt into the slam strip inside the door there. That will be closed, and that will stop any air then coming through the edges of the door. I'm going to start with my top piece, and I'm going to have to cut this twice. The reason being is I want to miter the corner here and miter the corner there, so my 2 side pieces fit nice and snug into the corner. So I'm going to put a little mark that way, so when I turn it down that way, I don't make a mistake and cut it on the wrong angle. There we go. Now these can be a little bit tricky getting your first pin in if you've got nobody to hold it for you. We're putting that butt edge flush against the top of the door there, and the brush edge, of course, against our closed door. Make sure that your door is closed. I'm going to try to push a pin in there. Double checking your ends you're happy with, and then get another one in there. And that's got it. So that's the top strip now, all pinned into position. The brush is nicely snug against the door. The door's closed, of course. All I need to do now is the same on both sides, and start by mitering the corners to tie in each side. If you're happy with that cut, take a measurement from the top of there right the way down to the top of the trim that you've already fitted on the bottom of the door, cut it down to size and pin it on the same as you've done with that one. So that's one side now complete. Same again on the opposite side. Perfect. So that's the 4 draft excluder strips right the way around my door. That should stop the cold from coming in and the heat from escaping. But if you just want to see more how-to videos like this one, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about the vast range of tools that Silverline stock, check out their website, silverlinetools.com.